You know, cheating. Look, I be on that hot shit. Main bitch ran through my phone, so I lied quick. Head to the night shit. Baby, I don't know her. If she don't believe me, she keep saying she gon' show her. Fuck that's on her. I'm on my number 2. Riding around, smoking loud, turning heads, we coming through. What you know about it? Some real like shit, come make her so body, or as your whole body. I bet she nobody, cause she fucked the whole team. Fuck, I thought it was a dream, but I'm never sleeping. Probably home eating, smoking on that molly. Coon pissing me off, he watching I call it. They got me feeling like I'm rolling. These niggas got swag cause it went out and broke that. You ain't original, and everybody around this bitch look identical. I'm reaching up till I make it to my pinnacle. Nigga, that's the top, I can't stop and won't stop so you can stop with all that blocking. Got bows in the back of my head, nigga, I stopped him. They got rolled over, tried to tell them how we rockin'. If my niggas don't eat, then I don't eat. If it's beef, then we creep when they sleep. No witnesses, not the tolerant could tell y'all that I'm sick for this. I played it out and left that shit alone like a Genesis. So who you kidding, bitch? You better man up. Sitting at the throne, got them begging me to stand up. Welcome to class for permission. Put your hands up, and if you're done riding my dick, then pick your pants up. Shout out my nigga, man. It's murder season, so we dressing up in all black. Give us a reason and a night roll in the bed. That nigga freaking dope boy, lowering up the gas. Nigga, it's easy. Huh?